Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mohammed Samad, your English instructor from English English. ازيكم يا جماعة؟ رمضان كريم. كل سنة وانتم طيبين. النهاردة لسه احنا في تاني يوم او تالت يوم ولا تاني يوم؟ تالت يوم في رمضان النهاردة الحد ان شاء الله. ف يلا بينا. لسه في phonetics American phonetics course. alright. وفي session 8. alright, so هنكفر النهاردة إن شاء الله التشه sound CH اللي هو التشه sound, the American J sound. Okay, it's a J. Actually, there's a D. Alright, when you say J, not J. And consonant H اللي هو الها sound. Okay, session بسيطة إن شاء الله وخفيفة النهاردة. طيب, let's go. Let's dig in, man. Let's dig in. So it needs practice. If you don't practice, you are losing a lot actually. Okay, لو انت ما بتمارس وتسمع السيشن وتمارس بعديها وتسمع كتير انت بتخسر كتير. تمام؟ فدي نصيحة. Free advice. Okay, you gotta practice a lot. You gotta listen a lot to the English language. Okay, movies, YouTube, whatever you like, but you gotta listen and practice a lot. TV shows. Movies with English subtitle, series with English subtitle, TV shows with English subtitle. Okay, don't listen to Arabic at all. All right, don't translate to Arabic. All right, so let's dig in to our topic here, which is a cha sound. Let's start with the cha sound. Cha sound عارفين انه cha, sha وcha. It's a unvoiced. Okay, خدنا الvoiced والunvoiced. لو انت اول ما تتفرج عليا ارجع للسيشنز اللي قبليها وتابع الكورس من الاول. طيب, cha at the beginning, alright, it's like China, cherry, change, chapter, a chunk, and chairman, right? So that's the cha sound. China, cherry, change, chapter, مش chapter, no, chapter guys, chapter, okay? Chunk, chairman, chairman لو ده there's a CEO كده بس it's like the big one, right? The top, at the top, the best owner of the company, right? He's the big boss. okay, the CEO كمان بيسموه chairman كمان. تمام؟ اللي هو مسؤول عن المجلس والإدارة وكل حاجة بقى فوق. طيب, التشه in the middle زي keychain, lunchbox, Richard, fortune. في طبعا المقطع ده TUN ده it's fortune طبعا تشه, teacher, and beach ball. Okay, ball. Remember the dark L from that session or the session before. طيب, التشه at the end. Okay, detach, porch, march. Okay, church. When you say march, okay, so it's march مش march, لا, march مش شه sound, لا, شه sound. March. Okay, patch, coach, approach, and church as well. Let me add it here. Okay, كلمة church. What the heck? Church. Okay, so you gotta focus on that. Okay, لأن طبعا في حاجات انت كنت بتنطقها غلط او سمعتها غلط, فبالتالي انت متعود عليها كده, ولكن النطق الصحيح هو ده. تمام؟ فلازم تتعود على الكلام ده كويس. Okay, alright, well, all good. طيب, التشه practice. Let's get into the practice على طول. Okay, so chop, children, it's a Charlie's Kitchen adventure. Alright, so chop, children, it's a Charlie's Kitchen adventure, right? So today, a chunk will be teaching future cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Today, Chunk, which is the name of a person, will be teaching future cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Okay, هيعلمهم ازاي يعملوا chocolate cheesecake. Alright. طيب, يبقى ده التشه sound. Very easy, I guess. So cha just to get a cha في cha غير cha cha. Okay, China, cherry, chain, chapter, في in the middle. Okay, keychain, lunchbox, Richard, fortune, detach, patch, porch, church. Okay, and march. And the cha sound, the chub, children, Charlie's Kitchen Adventure. Today, Chunk will be teaching a future cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Alright, نيجي بقى للsound ja, which is very, very voiced, right? That's very, very important sound in English as well. Ja sound, okay, it's voiced, okay? Ja, like ga كده sound, ولكن هنا ja sound, it's voiced as well. Okay. Alright, J as a beginning. Oh, juice, jump, juggle, or jungle as well. Jungle الغابة. genetic طيب G هنا اهي. طيب تعالى بقى في ملحوظة هنا في G. امتى G تتنطق J? G, say G, right? Like egg and George, right? ولكن امتى ننطق G J, right? ونحط لها دي كده قبل الساوند او قبل الجي ساوند. اوكي سو J. سو امتى؟ تعالى بقى في ملحوظة هنا اهي. يب اهي كاتب لكم ملحوظة. لا it's supposed to be like this. يب اوكي. طب ملحوظة ايه بقى؟ ان G pronounced J امتى؟ when it comes before الثلاث حروف دول Y, I and E. Y, I and E. اوكي اهو Y, I and E. ايه ده مينفعش اعمل pencil هنا؟ اوكي whatever. اوكي طيب يبقى هنا الواي والاي والاي زي magic، زي legend، gem. اوكي مش gem لا gem. I'm gonna go to the gem. It's pronounced like that. Egypt. Okay مش Egypt لا Egypt. That's the right pronunciation for the Egypt. Okay so G pronounced J امتى when it comes before Y, I and E. Okay أو لو جه بعديها I, Y و E. 3 letters دول تمام زي magic مش magic لا magic. Legend, you're a legend man. I'm a legend, you are a legend. Okay so أسطورة. Gem, we hope to go to the gym again when it opens after this epidemic. Egypt. Okay I live in Egypt. Yeah beautifully I live in Egypt. Okay so that's it. That's the point that I want to share with you. So it's G, it's pronounced J امتى عشان تبقى عارفها. Y و E و I و E. It's just a practice. Play magic, legend, gem, Egypt وهكذا. Focus on that and just listen a lot. الله أكبر سبحانك الله. طيب jury اللي هو الايه محكمة تمام او مجلس اللي هو jury اللي هو اسمه ايه مش فاكر. اللي هم الناس بتوع محكمة اللي هم بيقعدوا الجيري دول اللي هو هيئة القاضي مش القاضي بقى judge يعني قاضي ولكن jury يعني اللي هي هيئة المحلفين او حاجة زي كده. Japan اسمها Japan right. P the last session we talked about the P and B. It's very important. Okay J in the middle. Algebra والجبر. Legend اهو تاني legend. Magic G نطق ايه pronounced J sound. Okay rejoice. Suggestion, yeah that's the word. Suggestion. Okay that's how it's pronounced. Suggestion. Okay needs practice. I have a suggestion for you today. Educate and education. All right this is education not like education مركز على اليو. education لا education اليو هنا it's reduced تمام ف it's pronounced like that. education في ج sound تمام مع دي عشان هنا ايه that's the phonetics يعني pronunciation فهنا اتنطق J. education okay. طيب J at the end like age, postage, college, pledge, courage, and knowledge. Knowledge is power, but learning is your superpower. That's why you're learning. While you're learning, you're gonna be great. One of the greatest, actually, in the world, guys. I hope so. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so J, it's very simple, I guess. Voiced. J at the beginning, juice, jump, juggle, genetic, Jerry, Japan. On the G, G بتتنطق J after when it comes after before I, E, and Y. Okay. Algebra, legend, magic, rejoice, suggestion, educate, education. J at the end is like age, postage, college, pledge, courage, and knowledge. Type J practice. A German judge and jury have charged and jailed a strange giant who sat on the edge of a bridge, throwing jelly onto large barges. Okay, so again, a German, okay? G get بعدها E, but not J. German judge, a German judge, judge, okay? And jury have charged, okay? And jailed a strange, giant, okay? Who sat on the edge of a bridge, throwing jelly onto large barges, okay? Barges, all right? So that's the J sound, okay? So it's pretty easy. Okay, so consonant H sound. H يعني that's pronounced A اللي هو الصوت sound. احنا بنتعامل sound not letters. فهنا H sound, okay? Like hand, hide, hope, happy, whole, and Harvard, okay? H in the middle, ahead, behave, inhale, downhill, dehydrate, and anyhow. طيب H word pair like old, hold, it, hit, L, hell, as, has, arm, harm. Okay, so old, hold, it, hit, L, hell, as, has, arm, harm. Type H practice like Henry the Hungry Hippo who hugged a huge heap of 100 hamburgers has had hiccups for 1 whole week. So Henry the Hungry Hippo who hugged a huge heap of 100 hamburgers, 100 hamburgers, is a beast, okay, has had hiccups يعني problems, obstacles for 1 whole week. Of course هقعد طبعا اسبوع يعني ما اقولكوش بقى اللي هيحصل. تمام يبقى let's wrap up for today, guys. So I hope this session was helpful for you. So ch sound, the American J sound, J, not J, okay? So consonant H sound, okay? So ch sound and voiced on the China, cherry, keychain, lunchbox, march, church. J sound as voiced, J at the beginning, Jews, jump, juggle, and the middle like legend, magic, rejoice, وعرفنا ان G but not J when it comes before Y, E, and I, okay? So algebra, legend, magic, rejoice, okay? Age, postage, college, that's at the end of the word. J practice on now, chop, children, it's Charlie's Kitchen Adventure. Today Chunk will be teaching future cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. A German judge and jury have charged and jailed a strange giant who sat on the edge of a bridge throwing jelly onto large barges, okay? Consonant H like hand, hide, hope, happy, okay? Ahead, behave, inhale, downhill, old, hold, it, hit, L, hell, as, has, are, and harm. This is the word pair. Okay, so Henry the Hungry Hippo who hugged a huge heap of 100 hamburgers has had hiccups for 1 whole week. Who can eat that on the breakfast actually? When fasting احنا في رمضان فاللي بيقدر ياكل 100 burgers please يعني comment. تمام اعمل comment في الكومنتات. اوكي وقول لنا هتاكل كام برجر. How many burgers are you gonna get or you gonna eat on the breakfast when you haven't eaten anything for like 18 hours. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you guys are benefiting from this session, and I hope I just shared with you some some useful information. So see you guys next session.